Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will tell you how you can delete your WhatsApp channels. As you all know that WhatsApp is providing the facility to its users that they can create a channel on their WhatsApps as like Telegram. Now if you somehow want to delete your channel or want to recreate it after deleting it, and friends, if you don't know the method of deleting your channels, please keep watching this full video and after that you will easily delete it from your WhatsApps. So friends, let's check out how it works and how to delete your WhatsApp channel from your WhatsApps. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your WhatsApp and down the bottom you can see a four options: chat, updates, community and calls. Simply tap at updates. Now as appears my screen, you can see all the channels that you have been followed and including your own channel. As appears my screen, you can see JoyTech, that is the channel that I created. Simply tap it here. Now at the top you can see a three dots. Now tap at three dots. Now tap at channel info. Now appears my screen, you can see. Just simply scroll it up and down the bottom you can see a second option, delete channel. Now tap at delete channel. Now appears my screen, you can see channel will be permanently deleted. Followers can see past activities. Now if you want to continue, just simply tap at delete. Now enter your phone number. Now tap at delete. Like this, you can easily delete your WhatsApp channels from your WhatsApps. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. And at the end of, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.